I'm Jeena James, and I'm the VP of Developer Products at Headspin. And this is my domain. NimbleDroid is a part of Headspin. Headspin is the complete solution for all your mobile customer experience and performance needs. Through its mobile performance platform, Headspin provides mobile application developers, game developers, carrier networks, and device OEMs with detailed visibility into customer experience and performance issues from client to server. Our platform consists of more than 22,000 SIM-enabled devices in more than 150 locations and enables businesses to efficiently test, optimize, and monitor user experience and performance under real-world conditions. Back when NimbleDroid was founded, the mobile devices out there were not that fast, and many apps were quite sluggish. NimbleDroid was created to make all apps and devices nimble. Nimble.app is an excellent domain name, and it matches our mission. Developers are a smart breed. They like convincing case studies, quotes from familiar faces, and hard data or examples. So make sure you put these on the landing page of your website. You can get your own .app domain at get.app.